Hello student, in previous video we have completed up to question number 3rd from exercise 7.2. In today's video I am going to explain 4th question. Question is given, find the cube root of following numbers. Some numbers are given here in this question and we have to find out its cube root, okay, by prime factorization method. Here I take A example. Number is given minus 13,824. Okay. To find out the cube root, we use the prime factorization method and first we find out the prime factor for the given numbers. Now what is the number is given? Don't take the negative number or negative sign here. Okay. Here we take the given number, that is 13,824. Okay. Now this number is even number, it is divided by the first prime number, that is 2. After division we get 6912. We can do the division in rough. Okay. Then this number is also divisible by 2. Divided by 2 we get 3456. Okay. Again this number is divided by 2. Then we get 1728. Again it is divided by 2, we get 864 after division. This is divided by 2, 864 divided by 2, we get 432. This number is also divided by 2. After division we get 216. Okay. 216 divided by 2 we get 108. 108 is divided by 2 we get 54. 54 is divided by 2 we get 27. Now 27 is the odd number. This is not divisible by 2. We think about the next prime number. Now 27 is divided by 3. Next prime number. Okay. Then if we divide 27 by 3 we get 9 here. 9 is divided by 3 we get 3. And 3 is divided by 3 we get here 1. Now prime factorization is completed. And these are the prime factor of the 13,824. Okay. We know that in cube the prime factor or the factors in group of 3. Clear? First here we make the group of 3. There is, okay, 2 3 times there. Then again 2 here. Then this 2 and then there is the 3. In this way there is the group of 3 numbers. Now to find out the cube root of this number. Therefore cube root, this is represented like that. Okay. This is the sign of cube root. Cube root of negative 13,824. Okay. Cube root of negative number is what? Negative here. Therefore here we put the negative sign. Okay. And cube root of this number. Therefore we take one number from each group. Okay. Now there is group of 3 numbers 2, 2, 2. From that here we take the 2. From this group here we take the 2. And from this group here we take single number, that is 2. And from this group of 3 here we take the 3. Okay. Now product of this number represent what? Cube root of the given number. In minus 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Negative 24 is the cube root of given number. Okay student, I hope you understand how to find out the cube root of this number. Now say one more example from this question. Here I take B example. 729 upon 2197. To find out the cube root of this number, first we take the numerator number, that is 729. Find out its prime factor 729. This is not divisible by first prime number 2. We think about the 3. Using divisibility property, we understand this number is divided by 3. After division we get 243. 243 is also divisible by 3. After division here we get 81. 81 is divided by 3, we get 27. 27 is divided by 3, we get 9. And 9 is divided by 3, we get 3. And 3 is divided by 3, we get 1 here. Now see, these are the factors for 729. That is the numerator number in this fraction. Okay. Similarly, we find out the factors for the denominator number, that is 2197. Now 2197 is divisible by the which prime number, that is 30. It is not divisible by 2, 3, 5, after that 7, 11. It is divided by what? 30. After division, 2197 divided by 30. After division, here we get 169. 169 is divided by 13, we get 13. 13 is divided by 13, here we get 1. Now these are the factors for denominator number 2197. Now to find out the cube root of this fraction, therefore we write in symbol cube root of the given number 729 upon 2197. पूरे इस तरीके से लिखेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है? We write take like that. Okay. Now 729. From their factor, here we make the group of 3 factors. Okay. From this group, here we take one number, that is the 3, and from this group, here we take the one number, that is 3. Product of these two numbers represent or gives the cube root of 729. Clear? Therefore 3 into 3, this is 9. For 2197, these are the factors and there is only one group of 30. From that we take one number, that is the 13. That is the cube root of 2197. Okay. Therefore cube root of this fraction 729 upon 2197 is what? 3 3s are, that is 9 upon 13. This is the required answer. Okay. See one more type of question from this question. The example here I take. One decimal number is given, minus 0.001331. Find out the cube root of this number. Now see, to find out the cube root of the decimal number, first we write this number in fraction form. Okay. Now see, in decimal part, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we will make the group of 3, the two groups we will get. Okay. Then we remove the decimal point and here we divide by 1 is followed by 6 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you shift the decimal point to the right hand side, you have to divide by that number. 1 is followed by the number of digit in the decimal part. Right? Therefore this number become negative sign as it is here. Okay. 1331 and it is followed by 1 is followed by how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? After that, first we find out the prime factor for 1331. That is numerator number. 1331. This number is divisible by 11. After division, here we get 121. It is divided by 11. We get 11. 11 is divided by 11. This is the 1. These are the prime factor for 1331. Okay. Now to find out the cube root of this fraction, that is minus 1331 upon 1 is followed by 60. That is 10 lakh. Correct. This is equal to, now cube root of 1331. Now the group of 11 there, 3 numbers are there. From that we take 11, one number. Okay. The negative sign is there, therefore their answer or the cube root is negative. Negative 11 here we get. To find out the cube root of this number, this is very simple. 1 is followed by how many 0? That is 6 0. From here we make the group of 3 3 0. Okay. From each group we take 1 0 there. Therefore that number is, therefore cube root of this 10 lakh is equal to 1 is followed by how many 0 there? 2 0 there. Okay. Or simply we can count the number of 0 here. 6 0 are there, divided by 3, that is 2. Then 1 is followed by 2 0. You will get the cube root of this number. Understood? Therefore cube root of minus 1331 upon this 10 lakh is equal to minus 11 upon 100. Okay. And this fraction is nothing but what? The given number, that is cube root of minus 0.001331. This is the required decimal number. Okay. This is equal to, we can write this fraction in decimal form, 1 is followed by 2 0. Therefore we can put the decimal point after two digit, then we get the answer minus 0.11. This is the cube root of the given number. Okay student, I hope student you understand how to find out the cube root of the given number from this question. Okay, now note down your homework. This is question number 4 from same question. C example and the D example is homework for you. Okay, this is all for today student. Thank you for listening me. Thank you very much.